If you've ever wanted your text to look perfectly polished in your CapCut video projects, today's tutorial is just for you. I'm going to walk you through exactly how to align text in CapCut's PC software so you can give your video captions, titles, and overlays that professional touch. By the end of this video, you'll know how to line up your text with pixel-perfect accuracy. No more guesswork or uneven layouts. Let's dive straight into the process. First thing you'll want to do is make sure you're working in the PC version of CapCut. It's important to know that the desktop software gives you much finer control over text alignment compared to the mobile app, thanks to the detailed control panel on the right side of the interface. This is your command center for everything text-related. Start by selecting the text clip you want to adjust. Just click once on the text layer in your timeline at the bottom of the screen. You'll see that the text is highlighted, and up in the preview window, the text box should become active. This step is foundational because every adjustment you make from here on applies to the clip you've selected, and it's easy to accidentally tweak the wrong element if you're not careful, so double-check you've picked the right one. Next, head over to the Details panel on the top right corner of your screen. Make sure you're in the Text tab and specifically within the Basic subsection. Sometimes CapCut's interface can feel a little crowded, with different tabs for keyframes, effects, and more. So if you're not seeing text options, just verify that text is actually selected. Don't worry, you'll get the hang of the layout after a few edits. Now comes the alignment options. Within the basic text formatting tools, look for the icons that represent left, center, and right alignment. These might look similar to what you'd see in Microsoft Word or Google Docs, lines of text stacked to the left, centered, or right. Clicking one will instantly realign the text within its text box. This doesn't move the whole text box in your video frame, but adjusts how the text sits within the space of the text box itself. For example, if you're making a title and you want it to look balanced, center alignment is usually your best bet. But maybe you're adding subtitles, which often look better left aligned for readability. Here's where many people get tripped up. Adjusting the actual position of the text on the screen. This step is crucial if you want your text to appear exactly where you envision it on the video frame. Look for the position controls. These will be X and Y axis sliders right there in the basic panel. Sliding left or right adjusts the horizontal placement. Up and down moves the text vertically. Think of these like coordinates on a map. If you want something dead center, you'll want both X and Y values set to 0. Don't worry if it takes a moment to figure out which direction does what. It's a little like tuning radio frequencies until you get perfect clarity. There's also a quick shortcut for perfect centering. As you drag the text box in the preview window, you'll notice handy center guidelines pop up automatically. When your text box snaps to these guides, you'll know it's centered both horizontally and vertically. Alternatively, for pixel perfection, you can set both X and Y position sliders to 0, and CapCut will anchor the text box right in the middle of your frame. Use whichever method feels most comfortable. Both work great. And there you have it. Aligning text in CapCut really comes down to understanding both the formatting and positioning options, and using those right side panels to your advantage. So next time you're making a video and you want your text styled just right, you'll know how to do it with confidence. If this tutorial helped you level up your CapCut editing, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up and drop any questions you have in the comments below. I always love hearing your success stories and helping out with tricky issues. Make sure to subscribe if you want more easy-to-follow guides for creative video editing. Thanks for watching, and happy editing!